Psalms 4-3. But know that the Lord hath set apart him that is godly for himself. The Lord will hear when I call unto him.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I'll be doing a half up half down boohoo hairstyle, and this is how the hair turned out. If you guys want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to comment down below, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into this tutorial. As you guys can see, my hair is already washed and prepped. So today I'll be working with a company called Maroochin. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, so they sent me 4 packs, or should I say 4 bundles of their deep wave hair and also the body wave hair. I got 2 bundles of each. This is the natural color, and the body wave I got in color 4 and 30, which I'll be doing before going on holiday. So for today I want to use the natural color to do this half up half down hairstyle. So I did go ahead to section my hair. This took forever because I didn't pre-section my hair before starting. So this is how I prep the hair. I go ahead to first of all put some gummy on the tip of the hair, making sure it's very put together and thin, and then I go ahead and start braiding. This just helps me to place the curly piece into my braiding very easy and very smoothly. So for the back I am doing normal braiding, and I'll be doing a knotless braiding at the back. So I first of all start with my natural hair, and then I go in by placing the pieces of expression. And as you guys can see, as I am braiding, I'm basically tucking the curly piece into the braids as I braid along. And I think for every single piece I did place around 3 curly piece, and some of them I ended up putting 4, and some of them I ended up putting 5 because I wanted it to be full. But I feel like if I wanted it to be more fuller, I needed more of the curly piece, or maybe make the curly piece a bit more thicker. But at the end of the day, it wasn't bad. Usually people use 3, 4 or whatever, as long as you can see the curly piece in between the hair. So if you want to make it more fuller, just make sure you add more of the curly piece. You can literally do it close to each other, or you can just make it maybe a bit thicker. So because I wanted the ends of the hair to be curly, I only braided halfway, as you guys can see, and I did go ahead to just tie like a knot where I wanted to stop, and I just continued braiding because at the end I'm gonna curl the end part, and then I'm gonna dip it in hot water. So this is how it's looking right now. This literally took me forever because, as you guys can see, I was literally sectioning my hair as I braided, and that takes forever. Sometimes I just prefer to pre-section my hair and then braid. I think I started around 3 and I finished literally at midnight, hence why I wasn't even able to like do my makeup that day because I was tired. If I did my makeup, I was gonna faint. So I literally just did it and made sure I recorded the final look regardless without makeup, because I'm still a fine babe. And then I think like 3 days after, I recorded another video with me and a natural makeup on. But yeah, when I got to the front, I wanted to do like a bit of freestyling. I didn't want it to be boring, so I wanted to do something different. What I had in mind is not even what I did. I literally just freestyled as I got to the front, and I guess it did work out. I did do some crisscross, and some little design here and there, and did some straight backs or whatever. So it's up to you. You can literally do anything when it comes to half up half down. At this point, I can't lie, my hands were killing me. But let's just talk a bit about the hair. The hair is actually really soft, and it was so easy to section. It was easy to braid with. You could actually find this company on TikTok, on Instagram, and also they're on Amazon. I will definitely leave all the details for you. So yeah, Maroochin specializes in 100% human hair, and with their braiding human hair, you can use to achieve knotless hairstyle, boohoo hairstyle, any braided hairstyle you can achieve with this hair. And also I've had this hair for about almost 2 weeks now or so, and I've had literally minimal shedding. And all you have to do with the hair is use water, mousse, or maybe leave-in conditioner, and you're good to go. So now I'm gonna go ahead to just brush the hair. Then I'll use like a hair rod to curl the bottom part of the hair. So I just go ahead to kind of just like twist it and twist it, just so that when I dip it in hot water, I'm gonna obviously get the end part to be curly. So this is all I did. Closed it and then dipped it in hot water, which I couldn't show because I was too tired. But yeah, and then I just went ahead to, you know, take this out the rods, and this is how it's looking. And as you guys can see, you can still see the curly part on the hair. I then went ahead to just put some mousse and just to define the curls, and then I just went ahead to, you know, cut the hair just so that I can have that bob look. You don't have to cut it if you don't want to, but I just wanted that kind of like bob look. And then I went ahead to do my edges, my baby hairs. I just went ahead to do something simple and quick because I really wanted to go to sleep, guys. And then I just went ahead to tie it, take it off, and it was all laid, and this is the final look. This took forever, but I guess it was all worth it. You know, you guys can do any design at the front, like I said, and this is how the back is looking. Very cute, very defined. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, don't forget to follow Maroochin.im's hair on TikTok, Instagram, and I think you can find them on Amazon as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, and also subscribe to my video, and hopefully I will be back with more tutorials. And I love how the hair turned out. This is few days later, the hair was already dry, and of course, me and my all up style, I had to put the hair up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.